Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every kitchen needs, a good set of mixing bowls. But not just any mixing bowls. We're talking about the FineDine stainless steel mixing bowl set, a full collection that ranges all the way up to 8 quarts. Whether you love baking, meal prepping, tossing salads, or just keeping your kitchen organized, this set might just be one of the best bang for your buck buys you can make. Let's unbox it, test it, and see if it really lives up to the hype. Inside the box, you get a full set of nesting bowls. Sizes typically range from 3/4 quart all the way up to 8 quarts. They're made of high-quality stainless steel, which immediately gives you that professional kitchen vibe. Right out of the box, they feel sturdy but lightweight. You can tell FineDine didn't cut corners. There are no rough edges, no weird smells, and the finish has a clean, polished look. I love that they nest perfectly inside one another. So even though you're getting several bowls, they only take up the space of one large bowl in your cabinet. If you've got limited storage like me, that's a huge win. Now let's talk about what makes these stand out from cheaper sets. Each bowl has a flat base so they stay put on your counter. No wobbling around while you're mixing. The rolled rim makes it easy to grip and pour without spilling. And that's something you'll appreciate when you're dealing with thin batter or hot ingredients. The stainless steel is food grade, rust resistant, and dishwasher safe, which means these will last years without staining or retaining odors. Unlike plastic bowls, you don't have to worry about scratches, discoloration, or weird smells sticking around after you mix something strong like garlic or lemon. All right, let's put these to the test. First, I used the largest bowl for meal prepping, tossing together a big salad and mixing pasta. The depth and width are perfect. There's room to mix freely, without ingredients flying everywhere. Next, I tried the medium bowls for baking. I whipped cream in one, mixed cookie dough in another, and even used one for melting chocolate over a pot of hot water. Because yes, stainless steel bowls are great for that too. And when I was done, straight into the dishwasher, everything came out spotless. No discoloration, no water spots. One of my favorite uses is actually for marinating. The smaller bowls are great for mixing dressings or sauces, while the bigger ones handle meats or veggies. Pop on a reusable silicone lid or wrap it in foil, and you're good to go. When it comes to storage, FineDine nailed it. All the bowls nest neatly inside each other, so you can slide the entire set into one cupboard or drawer. They don't stick, they don't scratch, and they're light enough that you can stack or grab them easily. For small kitchens or apartments, this is an absolute lifesaver. Now here's where things get really interesting. The price. For what you get: multiple bowls, professional-grade stainless steel, dishwasher-safe design, and long-term durability. This set usually costs a fraction of what higher-end brands charge. And honestly, in daily use, you'd be hard-pressed to tell the difference. You could easily pay double or even triple for similar sets from big-name brands and still get the same performance. If you cook or bake even a few times a week, this investment pays off fast. Pros and cons. Pros: high-quality stainless steel, rust-resistant and odor-free, lightweight yet durable, dishwasher safe. Nesting design saves tons of space. Excellent value for money. Multi-purpose, perfect for prep, mixing, serving, or storage. Cons: no lids included in some versions. Can be noisy when stacked or whisked aggressively. Metal conducts temperature, so use a towel if handling something hot. So, after a full week of testing these out in my kitchen, here's my verdict. The FineDine stainless steel mixing bowl set is one of those rare products that's simple, affordable, and genuinely useful. It's not flashy. It's not a gadget, but it's something you'll use almost every single day, and that's what makes it a must-have. If you're tired of cheap plastic bowls, or you just want a reliable set that'll last for years, this is an easy recommendation. I'll drop a link below if you want to check out the current price. And trust me, it's usually a steal. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and let me know in the comments what kitchen product I should test next. A link to this set will be in the description. If you have this set, tell us what your experience has been. If you're torn between this and something else, Drop your questions below. Until next time, happy cooking!